have page 18, part 1, and in this example we are asked to find the ratio of the view of a camera to the print that one gets out of that camera. And as you can see, the camera view is in inches and the print is in feet. And we need to find the area of both of these. So in order to do that, I'm going to start off by first converting all of my units to inches. And so the first thing I'm going to do is to convert 1/2 of a foot into inches. There are 12 inches in a foot. If I divide 12 by 2, I would find out, if I didn't already know, that 1/2 of a foot equals 6 inches. Similarly, if I divide 12 by 3, I would find out that in each third of a foot, there are 4 inches. All right, I can now find the area of both of these rectangles. Area equals base times height. For the camera, the area would equal 1.5 inches multiplied by 1 inch. I need to convert 1 1/2 inches into an improper fraction. That means I'll multiply the denominator by the whole number and add it to the numerator. That would give me 3/2 multiplied by 1 would equal 3/2 inches square. And I'm going to write that in here so I don't forget it. That's the area. For my print, the area is also base times height. And in this case, it's 6 inches multiplied by 4 inches, which equals 24 inches square. So that's 24 inches square. Okay, now what I need to do is to compare the area of both of these. In order to do that, I'm going to set up a ratio following this, the camera to the print, which in this point would be 3/2 inches to 24 inches. Okay, what I need to do is to get rid of the denominator that I have on 3/2 so that I have 2 whole numbers. In order to do that, I'm going to multiply by 2/1. And the reason I'm going to do that is because when I do, look what happens. 24 multiplied by 2 is 48 inches. Now let's simplify. This 2 becomes a 1, this 2 becomes a 1, and I end up with 3/48. Well, 3/48 can be simplified further because 3 and 48 share the common factor of 3, which means that this simplifies to 1/16. In other words, 1 inch on the camera is the same as 16 inches on the print.